सितारे जमीन पर आ चुके हैं, quite literally. I'm talking about Aamir Khan's latest release, and trust me, this one hits different. This is Binge It, and today we are going to decode सितारे जमीन पर. But to be honest, this is not a movie review. This is just me gushing about a movie that made me cry, laugh, and seriously think about life. The film stars Aamir Khan, Janelia Deshmukh, and most importantly, 10 neurodivergent actors. The casting choice alone deserves a shout out. अब प्रेमिस की बात करें तो स्टोरी रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड गुलशन हु इज अ हॉट हेडेड बास्केटबॉल कोच. उनमें बहुत सारे एंगर इश्यूज हैं जिसकी वजह से he gets himself involved in a car crash, that too with a police car, and because of that he gets suspended and उनको community service भी करनी पड़ती है. And that's where the real story begins. He is assigned to coach a team of kids with intellectual disabilities. So what starts as a punishment initially slowly turns into a transforming journey, not just for Gulshan or the team members, but also us as an audience. अगर मैं गुलशन के कैरेक्टर की बात करूँ ना, तो आप कुछ ऐसा है, तो मतलब वो थोड़ा थोड़ा करके इवॉल्व होता है. You will see him battling a lot internally. Beginning में he has a typical mindset of someone who defines normal in a very rigid and limited way. But as the film progresses, his journey becomes a mirror for the audience. You reflect, you unlearn, and you start to understand with him. The film very gently but powerfully asks, कि normal है क्या? Who defines this normal? Now, if we talk about performances, तो आमिर खान तो as usual he's shining. Expected है सब, but what truly steals the shows are the neurodivergent actors. From Arush Datta, Rishi Shahani, Simran Mangeshkar, Ayush Bansal, everyone just radiates a lot of warmth. Their innocence and the authenticity is amazing. Janelia, on the other hand, felt like a filler. मतलब acting बुरी नहीं थी, but she didn't add any value. Although Dolly Ahluwalia was a delight in her supporting role. Now there are moments in the film that you might feel are too preachy, specifically during a longer monologue जहाँ पर आप सोचते हो कि अब थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो रहा है. But honestly, I didn't mind it. The heart was in the right place here. And yes, several scenes have been lifted frame by frame from the Spanish film Champions. But the way it has been Indianized to suit our sensibilities, that is commendable. Of course, if we compare it to the OG Taare Zameen Par, this movie has flaws. The music is not as memorable and emotionally it doesn't hit the same high notes. But that said, movie is all heart. I thoroughly enjoyed it despite its imperfection. Now let's come to the big question. क्या आपको ये movie theater में जाकर देखनी चाहिए? Is it worth it? For me, 100% yes. सितारे ज़मीन पर is not just a feel-good movie. It's layered, reflective, and surprisingly funny at times. So I'm giving सितारे ज़मीन पर 4 stars. I think you should definitely go to theaters and watch it because it's not coming to any OTT platform. Go watch it. This is Sukhmanjeet for Binge It signing off.